Let me start unboxing this package for you so that you'll see what's inside. So you can see right now the main device, which is very small, elegant, compact size. You can see the camera, the lenses, the IR sensor, it's all around here. And then on the back end, you can see there are ports for you to insert your cables to physically connect it to your garage door motor. And then also, of course, the micro USB charger port for you to put in your power. And then at the bottom, which is the best part, it has included a magnet at the bottom part for you to actually attach it to your motor. So that way you don't have to say use a sticker, although you still have that option, but I think it's way better if you can just directly put it onto your motor and then just have it facing towards the garage door so that you can see everything. So that's the device design. And then you can see inside there are a lot of more accessories that we have for you. So of course the micro USB power cables, these are standard, nothing special. The plates, so like I mentioned, this is a metal plate for you to screw onto any surface. If you don't want to attach it to your motor, you can say stick it up to your ceiling, just use the screws to attach it. It's metal, so it'll stick on perfectly fine. And then there's also a 3M sticker for you to use if you want to use that option. And then here are some mounting tools. So these are the screws that you can use. And then the cables. So these are the critical aspects of the Garager setup. So this is for physically connecting the Garager device to your garage door motor. So this is essential as well. Make sure to strip them at the two ends. And then not too much, just a certain amount so that it gets fully inserted into the ports so that you have good connection, and at the same time it wouldn't ruin any kind of setup. So that way everything will be working seamlessly. Right, so basically the Garager is a visual controller for your garage door motor, so you can view in real time the status of the garage, and then you can remotely open and close it, and you'll get notifications whenever there's motion or sound detection. And then basically you can do two-way audio, you can talk to your garage, say somebody's inside working your other part, maybe you'll be able to tell them, like, do a two-way communication. So it's just a very convenient product for you to use, and yeah, I would highly recommend it for you.